See the wires, the wires, the wires. And the articulation in our elbows and knees makes us buckle and we couple and then this increase as the audience admires. And the little white dove made with love, made with love, made with glue and a glove and some pliers, swings a loose sickle knot from its perch in the dark. Settle down, settle down, settle down, my desire. In the moment I stepped, I was swept up in a terrible tremor. Though no longer bereft, how I shook and I couldn't remember. And in the furthermost shade drove my mother and staking and left me right down through my center. And I shouldn't say so, but I know that it was then than never. Push me back into a tree. Bind my buttons with salt. And fill my long ears with bees. Brain, please, please, please. Oh, you are not. No, you are not. And then the system of strings tugs on the tip of my wings, cut from cardboard and old magazines, makes me warble and rise like a sparrow. And then the place where I stood is a circle of wood, a quarter tune, which you chop and you stack in your barrel. And it is terribly good to carry water and chop wood, streaked with soot, heavy-booted and wild-eyed. As I crash through the rafters and the ropes and the police trail after in the holiest belfry burns sky high. And then you slowly but fire moves across the prairie with precision. While somewhere with your pliers and glue you make your first incision. And in a moment of almost unbearable vision, doubled over with the hunger of lions, hold me close to the dove who was stuffed now with sawdust and diamonds. I wanted to say name is the Damnable Bell. And it tolls, I believe that it tolls for me, and it tolls for me. And though my wrists and my waist seem so easy to break, still, my dear, I would have walked you to the edge of the water, and I will recognize all the lines of your face in the face of the daughter of my daughter. And darling, we will be fine, but what was yours and mine appears to me a sandcastle that the gibbering wave takes. But if it's all just the same, then say my name in the morning, so that I know when the wave breaks. I wasn't born of a whistle or milked from a thistle and twilight. No, it was all horns and thorns sprung out fully formed, not hidden upright. So enough of this terror, it isn't to no light. Oh, ever more lighter and lighter. You would have seen me through, but I could not undo that desire. Oh, 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 desire. Oh, 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 desire. Oh, oh, desire. From the power of the flight, of the white stairs, through the rest of my life, do you wait for me there? I'm gonna switch the next two songs around, just of my performing reasons.